then yeah, sure, why not, right? Which is designed to be comparable to Warrior, but it's currently substantially stronger. It's just better on everything, just straight up everything. Comboing, protections, movements, catching, scrapping, CCing, PvEing, everything. I don't think there's a single thing in the game that Warrior does better than Seraph, except maybe bosses. Boss rush, I think Warrior is probably safer. It also make Warrior far more accessible for new players and veterans alike. He is right on that. A new player will come in, try to see no many issues and gaps, immediately leave the class, taking time to learn, more rewarded. Yeah. So there's a couple of these things that I agree with. I think in totality with the proposed changes, I think what I would like is maybe having a core Heaven's Cleave for the CC, Burning Moxie, 5 players on the DR. I agree with that. Slashing, Severing Thrust, yeah, I think forward guard on it would be totally justified. For armor break, I would much rather than just maybe speed up the animation of Shift Q. Head chase, I think that's too much. With all that other Subarma movement we've gotten, I think we're pretty good on movement right now on Warrior, which is insane to say. But yeah, get rid of that. Get rid of it. I think this is a brilliant idea. It would solve so many issues with how Warrior damage works for PvE and PvP. Well, not even for PvP, but having an additional reward. We could put out like a damage, if we could filter that in, get it in, forward guard, bit slow, big reward, like big risk, big reward, great. Go to the idea. Heal strike, balance strike. I personally am not a favor of this. I prefer pre-awakened shield charge, but I do think that this is in line with what PA is doing. Making shield charge CC a prime skill, and then making basically balance strike be the awakening version of it. So I could see this happening, and I would be totally fine. It would be a buff for sure, but I like this shield chart stuff. Gravestaker core, absolutely agreed. I think this is a must that it goes back to core. I tried to explain why this is so important with the other CC removals that's happening. That this right here, that's a bridge too far. Then suddenly all these buffs kind of like flattens out, because this here is going to tie the new kit together. The Gravedigger core will be like tying it together. So yeah,